Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to hide chat when you're watching a TikTok live stream. So I've seen many YouTube comments where people are complaining that they cannot do this. So here I'm making another video and I'm showing you how to do this in 2022. So first, let's make sure you update your TikTok to the latest version. You can do this by going to App Store or the Play Store. As you can see, mine is currently on version 23.5.0. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Once the app loads up, tap on Live icon at the top left to access live TikTok videos. Once the live TikTok videos loads up, you should see chat appear at the bottom left of the screen. Now to hide the chat screen, just hold and swipe to the right. The chat will move to the right and hide away. To bring it back, just swipe left. Now you can do this to any live stream on TikTok, whether it's one person or multiple users on live. Just swipe right on the screen and the chat will hide. And that is how to hide chat when you're watching TikTok live stream. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.